I'm going to go through the list of downloads you would need to have for this course. So first is Git. It's not absolutely compulsory to have Git installed for you to follow this course, but I recommend installing it in case you are not familiar with Git. So basically, it helps us maintain our code and save our code and version control our code, which means if you're trying something new, you don't have to be worried about losing your previous code which used to work, for example. So this is what basically it helps. So you download it through this website. I will give links to this, or you can just simply Google, okay, download Git, and you will pretty much see this link first. So you can, the installation is pretty straightforward for Mac or Windows or Linux, depending on which operating system you're using. Second is to have a account in github.com. So if you are using Git, probably you should be saving your code in github.com as well. There are other alternatives to GitHub as well, like GitLab or Bitbucket, but for this course I'll be mostly talking in terms of github.com. So you need to have an account in this. It's not absolutely compulsory, but it would be good if you have it. Then comes Go. So Go is the programming language I'll be using for backend for this course. And if you simply Google download Golang, you'll end up on this page. And at the time of recording this video, the newest version is Go 1.12. It might be a bit different when you are trying this. And basically, yeah, you can click on one of these links based on your operating system, and the installation procedure is usually straightforward. Then comes Visual Studio Code. So I'll be writing my code mostly in Visual Studio Code, and you can install using this link again. You just have to Google download and download or install Visual Studio Code. It is integrated with Git, which is good, so you can directly save your code in Visual Studio Code and version it inside VS Code itself.